Hey, it's Neil Morrison here again with Stop Foreclosure Institute of Sacramento and BuySacramentoProperties.com. Today's topic, we're going to talk a little bit about how to get your loan modification approved when you're negotiating with a smaller or a local lender, say for instance like in Sacramento. In my opinion, loan mods are definitely a very tough situation. They're very hard to negotiate with, especially with the large lenders like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and even places like SunTrust. The reason it's tough is because they treat you like a number. In addition, in most cases, these lenders don't even own the loans. They actually service them for other investors. So someone else is actually doing the work for them. So when you're negotiating with them, you're just simply going through the motions. You're not actually working with the person that's in charge. Now, common sense does not apply in these situations. And the good news is that common sense does apply when you're dealing with a small local lender. I recently was hearing from a past client, or actually, excuse me, I was hearing a local ad here for a current credit union company that had ran ads about how they don't treat you like a number. And their ads went a little something like this. When you bank with X credit union, you aren't a number. We talk to you on a first name basis. I didn't really see the pluses to that. I actually kind of laughed. But nowadays I actually see how that could be a big benefit when you're dealing with a loan modification. I also talked to a recent homeowner that did some loan negotiations or loan modification with a small local lender. And at first the lender was really hard. They were playing hardball with him. They were telling him either you pay us in full or we're going to foreclose. They told him time and time again they were really firm on them. So my client got a little scared, needless to say, like all of us would, and they paid up. They paid up in full. They tried to keep the mortgage payment on time. They did not want to lose this home. So after about 6-7 months of paying literally every month and going broke just to keep this house from going to foreclosure, they woke up. They realized it's not worth it. They stopped altogether. Lenders started calling him again. So my clients played a little chicken with him and said, look, we stopped paying you and we're not going to pay you anymore. We want to work on a loan mod. Well, they played hardball and said, we're going to foreclose. And guess what? My client went to the next step, called a bankruptcy attorney, and they actually got them to call the banks on their behalf to do the negotiations, and they threw out the bankruptcy word, and all of a sudden the credit union changed their tone completely. Now, my client didn't actually go bankrupt. They just were talking about their options, but the moment somebody threw the word BK in there on a loan mod, the banks were extremely willing to work with them, and needless to say, it worked out pretty good. So, guys, if you have any questions on loan modifications, you need more help, you want more tips, please go to my website at loanmodsecrets.com. There you can find a flurry of information. I have free information, packets of how to do your own negotiations. It's endless. If you're tired of dealing with your home, you've been trying to work on a loan mod, and it just doesn't seem like you're there and you're ready to just be done with this, give us a call or go to our website at SacramentoShortSalesBlogs.com. There we can help you out with the process, get you educated on what short sales are, how they work, or you guys can call me direct. My number is 916-539-6345, or you can send me an email, neil@neilmorrison.com. You guys, thank you very much for watching this today. Be sure to keep an eye on all real estate blogs and videos that we got coming in. We are literally doing a series of blogs from short sales to loan mods. We're doing the works. So keep an eye out for it. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. See ya.